We are on our way to downtown D.C. And it's rainy and cold and kind of nasty out there. So what do? Go to a museum.
Great day to be in D.C.
Did we just find a spot?
It says no parking 4 to 6:30 though. But is that all of them?
I don't know.
Will we be out of here by 4? When does my camera not work?
Only when you're backing up.
We'll try to.
Do you need me to get out?
Yeah, probably.
Space Museum. Dun, dun, dun. I'm curious, comment below if you think we actually landed on the moon or if you think it was a hoax. And by hoax I mean strategic plan to overcome the Cold War. This place is awesome. That's a real piece of the moon?
Yep.
It feels like what?
Feel like a real rock.
Like a real rock. I need one of these in my man cave. Okay, so this is the the Telstar. A worldwide communications satellite. Okay, so see this? Lift that? Alright. Can you lift it, Zoe? A little bit? Okay, here it comes. Vacuum, alright? Try to lift it. Can you do it? Hey, why can't you lift that? Zoe, you lift it.
Wow, even Daddy can't get it.
Alright, now try. Oh. So what holds the plate in place? How does it do that? They take all the air out, it causes it to be stuck down there. Is that cool or what? You want to do it again? Try it now. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, let's do some more. That's how much pressure you're under in Florida. In Denver, Colorado, it feels like that. And then Mount Everest, it's like this. Oh my goodness. Our whole family weighs 460 pounds.
Minus the baby carriage.
Well, I'm minus 6 something. Okay, so how much will we weigh on Mars? Our whole family would only be 176.
Wow.
The moon, we'd only be 79 pounds.
What's this?
Jupiter. goodness. We'd be a bunch of heavy people on Jupiter,
That
huh?
would be a lot of weight to carry around. All right, come on, boys.
Oh, Zion, you go up there by yourself. 31 pounds.
Wow.
All right, my turn.
Oh,
Hey,
hey.
look, babe, I'm doing great on my diet.
Yeah, on Mars.
Is the Skylab Orbital Workshop. If this is in outer space right now, we would all be floating. Because we'd be outside of it, we'd be like, oh, we're floating. We're inside now.
This is it. That's where they eat. Oh,
Whoa. It's not very big. Oh my goodness, that would be so squishy.
wow. That looks familiar.
Just like Cocoa Beach.
Oh,
That is so impressive. She is, babe. You're not very good at that. It doesn't matter. Just drop it.
Does anyone know what this plane is called? They fly, right? So when it flies, we call it a flyer. This one's called the Wright Flyer.
We've been there before. That's Seaward, Alaska.
we have been there. I can picture the buildings that they added on right in the back. We've been right there on that dock. And we took our boat out to see the glaciers. Yeah, that's where they fly. Huh? Pretty cool.
Check out these drones.
Wow. That's a drone?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is the sun. Whoa. Incredible.
We'll take a picture of me setting up a tiny basement right
Oh,
there.
good eye. That shows you the difference in the size, huh? Wow,
This
that's
is
how big
the
these are.
basement right here. And there's an walk ship right there.
Oh, yeah.
Inside. Let's see how we see from here.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Discovery's about to launch. This is how they sleep. Interesting. Strapped down to a board, I guess.
Outside in outer space.
Yeah. That's interesting.
They're in outer space. Outer space. What is in there, Mama? We're spacemen.
It looks like food, maybe?
Yes, it is.
Food, yeah. Toothbrush and stuff.
Toothbrush.
Hey.
Don't have one of those.
Get there.
A spaceman has one of these.
That's longer than any astronaut or cosmonaut has spent in space on a single mission ever.
Good job. Hey, what are you doing in there?
Look at Mommy, the colors are changing. Something cool. Biggie. I mean yellow.
Looks like there's an indoor pool over there.
Yes, there is.
Yep, it's changing.
To dark blue.
And now to... Ooh, that's a pretty color, huh?
To purple.
It's going to purple, I think.
You walking?